In this video, I will teach you how you can pass the data from Python code to the HTML. This video is going to be very easy, and first of all, we have to create a Django project, and first of all, we have to install the Django. I've already installed the Django in my visual environment. If you see a tab there, pip install Django, show that the requirement already satisfied. And then I'm going to clear this terminal. The second thing is that we have to create a project where we're going to keep all the Django files, all the default Django files are there. Okay, for creating a project, we have to type the command that is known as Django dash admin, and start project, and give start project, and give the project name you want. I am going to name it with data. And then the second thing is that the project folder has been created there where all the files have been created. There is a underscore in it and the different files. Now the second thing is that we have to create template in Django. To create a template in Django where all the HTML files and the CSS file, HTML files are going to store. Okay, for this, I'm going to click this data folder. Then I'm going to click on the create folder icon. This is known as new folder icon. I'm just going to click there. I'm going to name the folder, and I'm going to name it templates. That's okay. Now, after making this template folder, we have to register this template folder to our Django setting.pweb file, so it can have access to our Django project. So first, for this, I'm going to open setting.pweb file, and this is the default file of Django. And after opening this file, you will see this template list, and there is a dirs, and it's mean directory. We have to place the template name here with the single quotations, that is known as templates, and it has been placed right there. Okay, now save this file, and you will see this template has been registered. After this, we have to add a file to this templates folder. So for this, I'm going to add a new file with the name of index.html. Okay, this file has been created. Now the second thing is that we have to make a file view in our Django server. If I run my Django server, it should show this interface. I will make it run for you. CLS command to clear the terminal. Then I'm going to type here Python myname.py run server, and you will see this. Okay, he's saying that you are not in directory. For this, I'm going to clear the terminal. I'm going to move toward the data folder that is known as data folder, that is a Django folder that I have created a project, and we have to reach this manage.py file. To reach that manage.py file, we have to move toward the data folder. To move to the data folder, we have to use the terminal command that is known as change directory command, that is denoted by cd. I'm going to type the cd there, and giving the name of our folder where the manage.py file are stored. I'm going to name it data. Okay, we moved toward the data folder. You see this, that the website is the project name, and we move toward the data folder. You see that in this what we call in this location, you see that we are in the data folder. Now we have to type a command to run the server. Python. It is a local server. It is not used for deployment. For deployment, we have to deploy the website on other server. Okay, run server. It's gonna run the server for me. And the server is running properly. You will see this is our server is running properly. Now the second thing is that we have to view this index.html. To view this on index.html, we have to create a file with the name of views.py file. So for this, I will teach you what this file do. Views.py file, and this views.py file has been created. Now we have to import a package, necessary package, that is known as from Django to render a template in our server. It's used to render a template in server. Django shortcuts, and import. What should we have to import? We have to import a render to render template. Okay. Now we have to create a function. For example, if we have to create a home page, so I'm going to create a home function, and we have to pass a parameter. In this function, if we have to pass a parameter, if we don't pass a parameter, it's not going to be work. Okay. Then the second thing is that we have to render the template. So to render the template, first we have to return the index.html, and there is a render function. I'm going to type the render function, and there I'm going to type parameter, because we use this parameter there, so I'm going to type the parameter right there. And and then I'm going to type there our file name, that is known as index dot html. This is it. And now we have to move toward the urls.py file to create the URL of our page. For this, I'm going to move over this urls.py file. It is default file of Django, and we have to give the path to this file. First of all, we have to import views.py file in Django. So first of all, I'm going to use a file. We have to import this file, views.py file, and we have to use this dot and import and file name, that is views. Okay, the file has been imported, and now we have to create a path of this file. Okay, what this path say? If someone type empty in a URL, it's gonna pass the file function to the home function whenever someone type a empty URL. Okay, it's show the default page. Okay, then we have to type views and give the name of our function that is there. This is the name. Okay. After this, I'm going to type the name and comma and name of this function. Name of this URL. We have to place the name, so I'm going to name it with home. Okay, this is perfect. If I run the server, you will see this page has been loaded, but it is empty because we didn't place any HTML there. Okay, HTML and CSS, so it's showing empty. So for this I'm going to place HTML here, and this is my HTML. Okay, if I run this server, you will see that if I refresh this page, our index.html has been placed right there. Okay, in this video I'm going to give a description to this welcome.pythonic. For description, I'm not going to use the HTML paragraph tag. I'm going to use the Django. As to Django, where I'm going to pass any string, and then I'm going to pass the string to the HTML, so it should show in the HTML. Okay, so for this I'm going to close this, and for this we have to go to the views.py file. All the Python backend code should be working this views.py file. We have to create a views.py file, then we should have to place a Python code or different modules in this views.py file. The backend should be, if you want to create a backend in Python, you have to create a views.py file, and you will have to place their backend there. Okay, for this, first of all, we have to create a dictionary to pass any string. So I'm creating a dictionary with the name of data. Now, if I will have to pass a description, so I'm going to type a description, and description. Okay, so yeah, I have to put into the single quotation because it is dictionary, and after this I'm going to pass description of this. This is description. Let's see this. Always feel happy. Always feel happy to help you. If you like my video, if you like my video, share and just share and subscribe. Share and subscribe. Okay. This is my string right there, and then we have to pass the string to the render index.html. To pass this string, we have to use this data in this render function that return this description to our index.html. This we have to pass this dictionary. To pass this dictionary, we have to use the return function, return, that is going to return the data to the index.html. How we can use this? We have to place the comma after the index.html, and then we have to give the name of our dictionary, that is data. I'm going to name it data, and this is working properly. Okay. Easy pass. If we want to pass a dictionary, and we want to pass this description, I want to pass this description, and so for this I have to use this command. You will see this description that I've created already. Okay, I will show you this again. If there is a first of all, we have to pass the dictionary. So for passing the dictionary, I'm going to use the paragraph tag because I'm going to put it in the paragraph. Okay. Then we have to pass this dictionary from the views.py file. We have to copy this name of dictionary, this name of description. So I'm just copying this name, and then I'm going to paste right in the paragraph tag. How we can paste this? We cannot simply paste it in the paragraph tab. If we paste this simply in the paragraph tab, we're going to show the description right there, or only description word. We have to pass this dictionary from the Python code to this HTML. For this, we have to type there these brackets. I'm going to use. We have to use this. We have to use this brackets, and this we have to use this types of bracket, and this bracket we have to paste our dictionary description right here. Then if I run this server, you will see this description has been added to the this description has been added to the my HTML page. For this, I'm going to open this, and just I'm going to refresh this to okay. You will see that I'm always feel happy to help you. If you like my video, please subscribe. Okay, this text has been displayed in the sample HTML. Okay, you will see that is easy how you can pass Python string to the HTML. By using you have to use the dictionary to pass it to the index.html. Okay. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends. And if you need more videos on this topic, I will available for you.